Hello and greetings to everyone. We will continue from where we ended last time. We are going to take 3i, 3, we have fourth, and operations with powers. A number can be expressed in the form, alright, with a red pen, a like this raised to the power b, where this a is called the base, and b is called the power or index or exponent or logarithm. For a and b belonging to the set of integers, a and b belonging to the set of integers with b greater than or equal to 0. That means b cannot be a negative integer. B must be a positive integer. We write this down. We read. We have a like this to the power b. We read this as I'll write it down, e raised to the power b. I'll underline this with the red pen, it's important. Or a index b is another way of reading it, or we can read it as a exponent b. If we have a raised to the power b, as such, it simply means we are going to multiply the number a by itself b times. That's what it means. Multiply the number a by itself b times. Let's take for example, 2 raised to the power 4 simply means you multiply 2 by itself 4 times. This will give us, you see the number 2 appears 1, 2, 3, 4 times. That's the meaning of this power. Take 2 times 2 gives 4, 4 times 2 8, 8 times 2 gives us 16. That's the result. If we take 5 raised to the power 3, simply means you have to multiply the number 5 by itself 3 times. You can see it 3 times. This will simply give us 125. You're going to note this. It's important. Note the number written in the form a raised to the power b is said to be in index form. So a number which is expressed as such is said to be in index form. Let's write this down to simplify numbers. To simplify numbers written in index form. We make use of the rules below. Take the first one, small a, for multiplication of a raised to the power b times a raised to the power c. We are simply going to add the powers. We maintain the base a, we add the powers b plus c. E.g., let's take an example by this side. E.g., we take 2 raised to the power 3 times 2 raised to the power 5. It is simply equal to, you can see their bases are the same, 2, and we add the powers 3 plus 5. This will simply be equal to 2 raised to the power 3 plus 5 gives us 8. So this is the result. We go now to the next one, B, for division. A power b divided by a to the power c would simply be equal to, we are going to maintain the base, then we subtract the powers, take b minus c, e.g. 3 raised to the power 5 divided by 3 raised to the power 3 simply equal to 3 raised to the power 5 minus 3, which is equal to 3 raised to the power 2. This is the final result. Now let's take exercises for application on this. Question 1, we have expand. It says expand the following. For A, we have the number 6 raised to the power 4. B, we have the number 3 raised to the power 7. And for C, F raised to the power 4. Question 2, it goes express the following in index form. We are treating this because we are going to make good use of it. especially when we will be treating HCFs and LCM. For B, we have 21 times 21 times 21 times 21 times 21 times 21. And lastly, for C, we have E times E. Going on to question 3, it says evaluate the following. A, we have 4 raised to the power 3 times 4 raised to the power 5. B, we have 7 raised to the power 10 divided by 7 raised to the power 14. And C, we have 2 raised to the power 6 times 16. Let's answer the exercise for application. We take solution. For question 1, it says expand the following. You have 6 to the power 4. It simply means we are going to multiply the number 6 by itself 4 times. This will give us 6 times 6 times 6 times 6. We count 1, 2, 3, 4. We are done. For question B, we have 3 raised to the power 7. This simply gives us 3 times 3 times 3 times 3 times 3 times 3 times 3. We count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We go now to C. We have f raised to the power 4. Simply means we have to multiply f by itself 4 times f times f times f times f. We go now to question 2. Question 2 says express the following in index form. For A, we have 3 times 3 times 3 times 3 times 3. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 times 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this will simply be equal to 3 raised to the power 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is the answer. We go now to B. For B, we have 21 times 21 times 21 times 21 times 21. Let's count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times 21. We are multiplying 21 by itself 6 times, so this will simply be equal to 21 raised to the power 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We go now to question C. For question C, we have E times 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 E. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 times E. In index form, this will simply be equal to E raised to the power 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Since we are multiplying E by itself 9 times. We are done with question 2. Question 3. Evaluate the following. First one we have for A, 4 raised to the power 3 times 4 raised to the power 5. This will simply be equal to, in this case we are going to apply the first law for multiplication. A to the power B times A to the power C is equal to A to the power B plus C. We add the powers. This will give us, their bases are the same, 4 raised to the power 3 plus 5. So this will simply be equal to 4 raised to the power 3 plus 5 gives us 8. We are done. We go to question B. we have 7 raised to the power 10 divided by 7 raised to the power 14. This will simply be equal to 7 raised to the power 10 minus 14. In this case, we are going to apply the second law, which is simply equal to a raised to the power b minus c. So this will give us 7 raised to the power. We know 10 minus 14 gives us negative 4. 7 raised to the power negative 4. We go now to c. For c, we have 2 raised to the power 6 times 16. In this case, you will see that we cannot apply the first law. 2 here is the base. Here the power is 6. Here 16, we know 16 is the same as 16 raised to the power 1. Here 16 is the base, the power is 1. You will see that their bases are different. We know that the number 16 can be expressed in index form with 2 at the base. We know if you take 2 times 2, it gives 4, times 2, it gives 8, times 2, it gives us 16. So expressing this in index form, this will simply give us 2 raised to the power 1, 2, 3, 4. So what we are simply going to do is we are going to replace 16 with 2 raised to the power 4. This will simply be equal to 2 raised to the power 6 times 2 raised to the power 4. Now we can apply the first law. So this will simply be equal to 2 raised to the power 6 plus 4, which will simply be equal to 2 raised to the power 6 plus 4 gives us 10. So this is the solution. And we are done with powers and operations with powers. If you like the video, you share and subscribe to this channel. Thank you very much for watching.